Let's implement a simple compiler frontend in C language. Include necessary header files, standard library for memory allocation, string operations for token handling, character classification functions. Define maximum token length and count. Define token types enumeration. Define token structure with 3 fields. Token type from enumeration, actual text of the token, source line number for errors. Define parse tree node types. Define parse tree node structure, type of node from enumeration, value stored in this node, left child pointer, right child pointer. Declare global variables for compiler. Declare function prototypes. Implement tokenization function. Copy input to source buffer. Reset position and line counters. Process source character by character. Get current character. Skip whitespace and track line numbers. Initialize new token structure. Check if character is a digit. Create number token from digits. Check if character is a letter. Create identifier token from alphanumerics. Handle operators and punctuation. Use switch statement for operators. Continue with other operators. Handle unknown characters as errors. Increment token count after processing. Add the file token at the end. Implement function to print token information. Array of token type names for display. Print formatted token information. Create parse tree node with memory allocation. Allocate memory for a new node. Set node type and copy value. Initialize child pointers to null. Return newly created node. Parse factor handles numbers and identifiers. Check if we have tokens available. Get current token for processing. Handle number tokens. Handle identifier tokens. Handle parenthesized expressions. Skip left parenthesis token. Parse expression inside parentheses. Check for matching right parenthesis. Skip right parenthesis token. Return parsed expression. Report syntax error for missing parenthesis. Report error for unexpected token. Parse term handles multiplication and division. Parse left factor first. Process multiplication and division operators. Check for multiplication or division. Skip operator token. Parse right factor. Create binary operation node. Break if not multiplication or division. Return parse term subtree. Parse expression handles addition and subtraction. Parse left term first. Process addition and subtraction operators. Check for addition or subtraction. Skip operator token. Parse right term. Create binary operation node. Break if not addition or subtraction. Return parsed expression subtree. Parse assignment statements with identifiers. Check if token is an identifier. Save identifier name. Skip identifier token. Check for assignment operator. Skip assignment operator. Parse expression on right side. Check for terminating semicolon. Skip semicolon token. Create assignment node. Create identifier child node. Return assignment subtree. Report missing semicolon error. If no assignment, parse as expression. If no identifier, parse as expression. Print parse tree with indentation for depth. Return if node is null. Print indentation based on depth level. Array of node type names for display. Print node type and value. Recursively print left and right children. Free parse free memory recursively. Return if node is null. Free left subtree first. Free right subtree next. Free current node memory. Write main function to test compiler frontend. Print program header. Define test input strings. Test first input expression. Print all tokens found. Parse tokens into tree structure. Print tree if parsing succeeded. Test second more complex input. Print tokens for second input. Parse second input into tree. Print second tree if successful. Free allocated memory for trees. Print completion message. Save the file and exit Vim editor. Compile the compiler frontend program. Run the program to see tokenization and parsing. Observe how source code converts to tokens. See the parse tree structure being generated and notice operator precedence in the tree. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.